So here we're given these 5 digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're asked to first create these 5-digit numbers. For example, 3, 4, 2, 1, 5 would be an example. So I'll start by first counting how many of these I can create. Since I can only use one of these digits at a time, if I were to do the 5 slots, in the first one I have 5 choices, and having used one, I'm reduced to 4, then 3, 2, 1. This is the permutation, and this total would be 20 times 3 is 60 times 2, 120. So there are 120 distinct 5-digit numbers I can create. Now they tell us that if we were to rank these from the least to the greatest, so for example, the least would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we go from there. The next one, for example, would be 1, 2, 3, 5, 4. We have 120 of these. And the question is, what is the last digit of the 62nd number? So this is, say, the first, that's second, so we need to find the 62nd. So if we look at the number of 5-digit numbers we can create starting with 1, here I can create all the possible arrangements of the remaining 4 digits, and that would be 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is 24. In fact, there's 24 for each of these 5, and that's how we get 24 times 5 is 120. So I know that if I just count the number starting with 1, I have 24 of those. Then I move next to the one starting with 2, I have another 24. So I'm up to 48, meaning the 48th number in this ranking from least to greatest would start with a digit of 2. So if I go 24 more, that would take me to 72, but I need to go to 62nd. So let's start with 3. And if I say 3 and then 1, and I have 3 spaces here, the number of these that I can form would be 3, 2, 1, 6 of them. So this would be the other 3 digits, which would be 2, 4, and 5. And the next one, so that takes me up to 54. I'm going to replace that 1 with 2, then again arrange these 3 digits, I get 6 more. So I'll be up to 60, because 48 plus 6, 54 plus 60. So then if I replace 2 with 4, that would be the beginning of the 61st. And the 61st would be 3, 4. I want to make it the least, so 1. And then I have 2 and 5. So that would be the 61st. And the 62nd would be, keep the 1 there, and you swap these 5 and 2. The question was, what is the last digit of the 62nd number? This is the 62nd number. Last digit is 2. Answer choice B.